Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change profile layout in Threads app. So as we all know, the Threads app doesn't offer extensive customizations options for altering the layout of your profile beyond basic elements. However, you can personalize certain aspects to reflect your style and preferences. So what I want you to do, guys, is to go through your profile by tapping on your profile picture on the bottom right corner, and right here what you want to do is to go into edit profile, tap on it, and okay, so right here as you can see, you can add the bio link, and of course you can change your profile from public to private or private to profile, and you can show the badge to your Instagram account. Otherwise, what I want you to do is to go to your profile picture right here, tap on it, and two options are visible to us. So I want you to do is to go to new profile picture, or if you like to have the same picture that you have on Instagram, just go into imports from Instagram and it will be imported. So for now we will go to or through the new profile picture, and right here to set an example with this picture, you can adjust the aspect that you want it to look on your profile on Threads. So let's set up this picture just like this, and then go into done. Alright, so right here you can go into edit right here, or even you can choose the time that you want it to be on your picture. Alright, so let's go into edit, and right here you can adjust your or edit your profile picture on Instagram or on Threads, sorry, and yeah, it will look very better, or it will look better. And after you are finished, I just want you to go into done, and yeah, as you can see, it's directly applied on my profile. So this is, guys, how to change profile layout and Threads app. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.